to Solution Insight. I'm Mike. Lanner is joined forces with the Litmus to provide a flexible and scalable edge platform that enables connectivity and a computer for industrial edge applications, such as smart manufacturing, industrial IoT, and predictive maintenance. Here are 3 key benefits for deploying the industrial edge platform. Faster, with pre-built drivers such as a serial port, Ethernet, socket CAN, or file-based. This industrial edge platform can quickly connect and collect and normalize data from all your industrial assets, such as sensors, PLCs, DCS, or SCADA, in minutes using a point-to-click interface designed for exceptional time to value. Smarter, you can deploy machine learning models or any containerized applications inside the edge platform with a Litmus built-in Docker engine. With pre-built KPI workflows, alerts, and alarms derived from real-time data analytics at the edge, you can visualize industrial data and integrate seamlessly with any cloud-based analytics service. Lower TCO. This industrial edge platform provides a site-based unified solution with annual software subscriptions and flexible deployment options tailored to your business requirements and existing infrastructures. To enable connectivity and computing at the industrial edge, Lanner provides a wide selection of industrial edge computers designed for industrial assets and real-time analytics. The NCA 1515 is an entry network appliance equipped with the Intel Atom C3000 processor, essential to I/O including 6 RJ45, 2 SFP, 2 USB, plus Wi-Fi, LTE, and 5G wireless connectivity support. The LC2580 is a mainstream industrial computer powered by an Intel Core i processor, plus network I/O featuring 2 RJ45, 4 PoE, 6 USB, and 4 comms. The LC2290 is a high-performance industrial-grade computer packed with the onboard Intel Core i7 CPU, giving it the power to handle the most demanding data and kinetic tasks. The LC2290 also supports abundant I/O including 2 RJ45, 4 PoE, 6 comms, and 4 USB, making it perfect to connect multiple industrial assets at the edge. Thank you for watching this episode of Solution Insight. If you have any inquiries about the industrial edge solution from Lanner and Litmus, please contact us and request a demo and to discuss how we can help you, and we'll get back to you. See you next time.